All right, guys, once again, we are at Copendero and it's ladies' night. So we have a bunch of ladies coming. They're going to shoot and we're going to see what it's like to have a ladies' night at Copendero Gun Range in Houston, Texas. What's so great about this facility is it has a full bistro downstairs and everyone was able to meet up, grab their favorite cup of coffee, and go upstairs to the classroom because we did have about a 45-minute classroom talk before we actually shot guns. After we moved upstairs, my man Gabriel there to the right, what a great guy. But he went through the course objective, then went through all the range safety rules. Then he had some dummy guns everyone was able to handle, and he also had some real guns. He was very careful to explain what to expect downstairs before we got to a live fire situation. He made sure that everyone could load, unload, clear a malfunction out of this gun before exposed to the real deal. Here he is going over the proper grip, which is super important for a new shooter. Then the ladies went downstairs, filled out their safety certificates, and then boom, we found ourselves in the range. Look how nice. Copendero really went out of their way to make sure we had all the correct guns and safety equipment and ammunition to make this class really special. All right, what are we shooting today? Oh, nice. Nice. All right. What we got here? Oh, check that out. M&P, very nice. Nice. Glock, ugh, gross. All right, once everyone kind of picked their lane, they picked what pistol they'd feel most comfortable shooting, and they did try a few. It was time to actually shoot. And we started out, we just did 3x3 just to make sure everyone had plenty of help shooting. There's Wifey Pooh shooting. Look at her go. So proud of her. Let's just kind of listen to the class and just watch these young ladies shoot.
These are going to be the last 10 rounds for our warm-up. So again, all we're going to be doing is just focusing on the grip, trigger control, sight alignment, and our stance. So whenever you guys are ready, go ahead, load up, make it ready. The line is hot, you can take your 10 rounds.
Of course, here's the young phenom Eliza tearing it up on lane 1. Look at that grouping.
All right, so whenever... Go ahead and accelerate. So with this red dot, put it on that line.
All right, guys, here comes the fun part, shooting from inside the lane itself. This is a real treat and just something really cool that a lot of people don't get to do. Gabe was able to work with each shooter one-on-one as they were able to work on coordination, grip, trigger control, posture. It was fantastic. It was a real treat.
You want to do it? So it's just going to be 2 shots, or it's going to be 1 shot, 1 shot, 1 shot. You can do either 2 shots per target, or you can do 1 shot on each target. Is that everyone?
All right, now here's something else. Shooting while moving. This is something a lot of people don't practice this. This is really cool.
All right, shooters ready. Remember, we're moving all at the same pace when I say fire. Shooters ready.
Yeah.
Fire. Fire. So what we're going to do is 9 rounds are going to be shot through what we call the barricade. So this is really kind of just getting you familiar with coverage and shooting out of uncomfortable positions, really also shooting through slots, open windows, little positions like that. So this is also utilizing coverage. So it's kind of just a practice of all of that into one wall. So drop right here, you can come back up, come around the wall, you can shoot through the windows. Again, get creative. It's up to you guys to kind of figure out what you want to do with the wall. So whenever you're ready, hold on really quickly. I'm going to get you started on what's called the shot timer. Basically, you're just going to hear a beep. Once you hear that beep, you can start the drill. So, all right, I'll say shooter ready. Just let me know when you're ready. All right. Ready? All right. Wait for it.
Never doing that again. I'm too old for that.
Yeah, just like that. That's good.
Remember, guys, when you take someone new shooting, you want to make it as fun and as enjoyable as possible. And that's what we did. We just had a fantastic day. We kept it super light, and everyone had an absolute blast.
Yeah, finish.
Oh, that's a good shot.
No, I didn't shoot the first time.
That was a good shot.
Yay! You saved the hospital. Right here?
Yep, to the cone.
No mercy.
So what do you guys think? Should we do a part 2? Should we have these ladies come back for a part 2, kind of like a follow-up range test, see where they're at now that it's been a few months since the initial class that you're looking at now? So comment down below. Should we do a part 2? Please let us know.
Six. 5.
Again, thank you to Copendero for putting this on for these ladies. They had a wonderful time. These commandos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.